Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a realistic timber wolf. If you have any other animals you'd like me to show you how to draw, definitely let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to do it. But thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our timber wolf, I'm going to begin with the eye. I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a small oval shape for the eye. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down here in the front. Then I'll make another long line that comes right to here. I'm going to color in this little part right here. Right above here, I'm going to make a little curved line. And then outside of here, I'm going to make a couple little points that go back. Now I'll curve this line down and out for the snout. Then I'll make a little line that's going to come out and then down for the nose. Let's bring this line up just to finish off the nose. I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this up to here. And then right here I'm going to make a couple little points. I'm going to bring this out here for the bottom of the mouth. Next, I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to make some long kind of pointed lines that curve up. And then I'm going to move back up here to the top of the head. So we'll bring this line up just a little bit, and then we're going to work on the ears. We'll start right here, and I'm going to bring this line up with a curve. Make it come to a rounded point, and we're going to bring this down and then curve back. We're going to curve this up to here. We're going to bring this down and kind of make some little points in here just to make it look like it's really furry. We'll make the other ear over here. So I'm going to go up and then bring it down. Now let's work on the back of our timber wolf. So I'm going to make some little points that just come down here for the neck. I'm going to make it come over to here, kind of straighten out, and then we're going to bring it down with a curve. Right here, I'm going to make some little points. And then I'll curve it down here and we'll start the legs. Starting right here, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down, and it's going to go straight down like this. To make the paws, we're going to bring a line that's going to come down and back, with another little line that's going to curve down and then back here. We'll bring this line up, and we'll see we're just kind of bringing it out just a tiny bit. And then we're going to bring this line up, kind of put some fur on it, and then bring it up to here. We'll put another leg back here. We'll just kind of follow that same curve shape. We'll bring this out and down to here. Now let's make the stomach. Now they're really furry, so we want to put lots of these little kind of pointed lines, and we're going to slowly curve them up. Next, we're going to make another leg here. So we're going to draw this line down. Then we're going to come down here at an angle. See, we kind of curved first, and then we come down at an angle for the back leg. I'm going to bring it out and then back. We'll do another little toe here, kind of go out, down, and bring it back. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to curve it in a little bit, and then I'm going to make it kind of furry and bring it up to here, but not all the way. We want to leave some space right there. Then we'll just kind of do that same thing for this other leg. Do the curve, and then come down at that angle. Bring it out and then down, and then one here. Now let's make the tail. As we draw the tail, I'm going to make it kind of pointed, and we're going to come down here. See, it kind of curves off just a little bit. And then we're going to make it pointed and really big as it comes back. They usually have really furry tails. So right now we have our basic shape of our timber wolf. Now we want to come in here and add some details. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to add a small dot in here for the eye. And then I'm going to bring a little line that comes back here, and I'm going to bring it down and kind of color it in. Draw a little line underneath here. Now I'm going to make a little broken line up here too. Do a little curved line here, and then some dots up here, kind of where their whiskers would be. I'm going to make some more kind of pointed little curvy lines in here. And then I'm going to bring a couple little lines down here too, just to kind of make it look like it's really furry. We're going to add some extra little lines in here. And I'm going to make some little lines that are kind of pointed and jagged, and they're going to come up. We'll add some little broken lines here by the feet and legs, and do the same thing here. I'm going to add some extra little lines in here just to kind of make it look like it's really furry. And even some more lines back here too. I'll do that same thing on the tail too, just to give it some nice texture here. And I'll put some broken lines kind of coming down here and on the body as well. I like to add some little black dots right onto the ends of the toes, just to show where like the claws of our wolf are. And I'm actually even going to go ahead and just color in the nose here, leaving just a little bit white at the top for a little bit of a reflection. And there you go, there is your drawing of a timber wolf. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.